There! Take off these masks. Alright, everyone, chant with me. Heck no, we will go. Heck no, we will go. Heck no, we will go. Yeah, let's go. Woohoo, cause chaos. Yeah, this place sucks. Come on, woo! Rah, woo! Woohoo! Cause chaos! Get rid of Andrew Ryan! Go, go, go! Heck no, we will go! Come on, woo! Let us out! Let us into the bathysphere! Woo! Rah! What's this camera doing here? Rah! Andrew Ryan, what do you want? You're gonna do another 3-second speech on your thing? The people, they're rioting everywhere around the city. The city is crumbling. You're hallucinating. Wait, 1 second. I'm not lying, dude. Please, we gotta do something, man. Heck no, we will go. Heck no, we will go. Heck no, we will go. Oh my God. What happened to my city? I don't know. You closed the bathyspheres and then this happened. I don't know. Heck no, we will go. Oh, this is bad. This is my fault. 1 second, let me take care of this. Attention, people of Rapture. Stop rioting immediately or we will have everyone executed by my guards. Stop rioting. We will open the bathyspheres and we will rip off that stupid TV. Come on, everyone, let's keep riding. Woo! Heck no, we will go. Heck no, we will go. It's another one of Ryan's creations. Destroy it. Put on my hand. It's full metal. Yeah, destroy it! Rip him out! Rip him up! Who has a hook? I have claws! Yeah, we did it! Keep riding! Destroy everything! Yeah! Oh, there's another camera! Boom, boom, boom! Boom, boom! Finally, we're out of jail. Wow. Yeah, that took forever. Oh my God. Jesus. What? Oh my God. Woo! Boom, boom! There's a freaking terrorist attack happening out there. Oh my God, we gotta get out of here right now. Yeah, this is bad. This is really bad. Oh my God, this is horrible. Come on, Foxy, we gotta find a way out right now. Yeah, I am not going through that. You two, join the riot right now. We gotta destroy Ryan. Wait, that's what you guys are doing? Yes, we are getting rid of Andrew Ryan. He sucks. He's been doing all these bad things, man. Join the riot? Join the riot. Come on. Yeah, that's the spirit. Destroy these masks. Woo! Oh my God, this is amazing. Yeah, I know, right? I've never felt this good in my entire life. Yeah, destroy these dumb masks. Woo! Yeah, woohoo! Everyone! Huh? Yeah? Huh? Get to Ryan's office! Oh, this is gonna be fun. I repeat, swarm Ryan's office! Yeah! Woo! Get to his office! They're all screaming to come to my office. That is not good. Brand the bars. Huh? What? Yeah, die, Andrew Ryan. Oh, die. Boom. Oh. Don't worry, Andrew Ryan. I got you. Andrew Ryan, are you okay? Oh, yeah. Just bandage me up or something. Okay. There we go. That this piece of cardboard or whatever should help. I guess. I don't know. I'm freaking out. And you, get out of here. Parasite. This is not good. No shiz, Sherlock. Oh, this is not good. Bang, bang, bang. They're at the door. What? They are at the door. Well, we are dead. We are so dead. Everyone climb up here! Okay, we will go. The rest of you stay here and riot. All right. Heck no, we will go. Heck no, we will go. Yeah, let's go, guys. Climb up. Woo! This is the most insane thing ever. Ah! Come on, pull you up. Come on, everyone. Everyone get back. Get him. RAPTURE. 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 Ouch. Oh, spring trap. Oh, boy. What? No more bullets. I'm sorry, Andrew Ryan, but we are dead. Don't worry, Foxy. There you go. Patch the wound. There we go. Okay, Foxy, you're good. Come on. Eat the ground. Yeah, eat block. Yeah, he's dead. All of you are parasites. Yeah, woohoo. Go get him. Oh, no. Me, please, before I die. Parasites? Oh, no, you're wrong. You're the parasite. Did I do good, guys? He's actually dead. We did it. Oh my god, we did it. Yes. Now go to the bathysphere while I take care of him before it's too late. Go. Yeah, guys, let's go. Come on. There it is. Yeah. Go. Take this. You know, give me this real quick. Yeah. Closed my butt. Stomp. Come on, Springtrap. Let's go. Yeah, we're out of here. Whoop. Oh, ding. Finally, we're here. Yeah, jeez. Well, I guess we start swimming. Yeah. Can't believe that was happening. That was wild. Splash. I will never forget that day, or those days, whatever. Splash. Oh, finally, we're home. Yes, that was the worst thing ever. We're never doing anything like that ever again. No more sketchy books, no more sketchy websites, no more sketchy plane tickets. Wonder what happened to that city. Anything could be happening right now. Yeah, I can still remember when we escaped. Yeah, that was a while ago. I still can't forget about it. Yeah, that was so scary, but it seemed so cool. And those plasmids and everything. All good. All went to shiz. Dang. Guys. Look on the news. Something happened to that city that they were talking about. Breaking news. Underwater city named Rapture found at the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean. A man named Andrew Ryan made the city, and people started rioting when the bathyspheres got shut down. And said city exploded after people messed with atomic reactors and machines in the city. Rapture imploded and exploded, and it is for long gone, and its secrets. It is all dead. No one survived. Everyone in the city is gone, and all their experiments gone. That is all for tonight. And if any of you escaped, you're very lucky. News out. Oh my god. Yeah, that's so sad, right? Anyway, I'm gonna go chill with Freddy and Chica. Millions of people exploded. Millions of people drowned. Oh my God. He is right. We are lucky. They, oh my God. I can't believe that. I need a nap. This is not a dream. How? Not a dream? Oh my God. Springtrap, I'm also taking a nap. I don't even, oh my God. Oh my God.